How to mask objects in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some images to my timeline and I want to mask some of the objects. Move the playhead above your video, select your video, and open up the Fusion page. In my first media, there is a ball that I want to mask. The best way to mask objects like this is to use an ellipse mask. Select the media in, then click on the ellipse mask to add it to the media in. Now drag the mask into the ball and adjust the size of the mask. Now select the ellipse node and remove it. I also want to mask one side of this cube. The best tool to mask shapes like this is with a rectangle mask. Select the media in again and click on rectangle mask to add it to the media in. Now adjust the size and position of the mask to cover only the subject you want to mask. For my second media, I have this vase that I want to mask. The shape of this vase is not ellipse or rectangle. The best way to mask objects like this is with the polygon mask tool. Select the media in again and click on polygon mask to add it to the media in. Now to see the image below, click on the polygon node and in the inspector, disable it for now. Now hold down the control key and scroll to zoom into the viewer. Start from a point and click to add points. For curved parts like this, click, and while holding down the click, drag the mouse to create the curvy line. Note that it is better to use fewer points here. Also, note that you can move the points later. Make sure to attach the last point to the first point. At last, in the inspector, enable the polygon mask. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.